I'm YC0 Sya. Yankee Charlie 0 Sierra Juliet Alpha. This video contains a collection of photos from the CAMPOTA and family gathering activities, which were held by the ORARI local Jakarta Timur. CAMPOTA means camping on the air. It will be held from 11 to November 13, 2022, and will take place at the Lembah Permai Resort, Puncak, Sapanas, West Java. Even though it was only 3 days and 2 nights, there were many useful activities for radio amateur members of ORARI local Jakarta Timur, starting from setting up an emergency antenna, or ham survival antenna radio, which was demonstrated by YC0 LOU Yankee Charlie 0 Lima Oscar uniform, we called Mr. Jeffrey, and can be watched in the previous video. And then slalom fox hunting by all CAMPOTA participants, and can be watched in the previous video. There was heavy rain, but that didn't stop us from continuing our activities, because in our opinion, this activity is not just for fun, but also establish a spirit of kinship between ORARI local Jakarta Timur members, one another. According to the contents of the speech from the chairman of the ORARI local Jakarta Timur, Mr. Rudy Ismanto, Yankee Bravo 0 Delta Charlie Papa, this activity cannot be separated from the enthusiasm and cooperation of Yankee Lady. The term word,
the power of semak.
In our free time, we sing karaoke together, entertain each other, so they don't get bored during the activity. Not infrequently, we also dance together, with the aim of creating a more intimate atmosphere with all the participants. One of the CAMPOTA participants' children, who was having a birthday, we celebrated it happily. Although simple, the family spirit is very harmonious. It's as if we are all a big family and live in
ORARI Lokal, Jakarta Timur.
As part of the ORARI local Jakarta Timur public relations team, I'm Yankee Charlie 0 Sierra Juliet Alpha and Yankee Delta 0 Papa Uniform Juliet say thank you to all the organizers and participants. We hope that we will all be more solid and able to participate more actively in the next agenda. See you on another activity.
Bersama kita bisa.
Actually, we can tell many stories in this photo documentation. However, it's not fun if we tell you all of them, because we are part of the committee team, want you to share this joy. So, if there is a similar activity, come and take part. Even though it only aims to build friendship, we are honored and very happy with your enthusiasm. We realize that everyone's work and activities are different, but this organization needs regeneration. Who else, if not starting from us? This is our job as part of the organization. That way, regeneration continues, and we will enjoy the journey as radio amateurs. CAMPOTA and family gathering are only a small part of the organization's activities. There will be more other activities that expect your participation. Contribution of visions, ideas, and even enthusiasm plays a very big role for the continuation of the organization. I am sure and certain the result is beyond our expectations. Those who are the next generation may have broader insights than the previous generation. Finally, please enjoy these documentation photos and feel the excitement in your hearts. I'm Yankee Charlie 0 Sierra Juliet Alpha, reporting for you.